In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can add text-to-speech to your Canva videos just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I already have my project video here on Canva, okay? And I want to add text-to-speech to this video, okay? So here is what you will do. So you have here this bar over here, you have design, elements, text. Click over here on upload, okay? And click over here on upload file and upload text to speech from your laptop that you want to add. Okay, text to speech voice that you want to add from your laptop. So for example, I want to add this one. I can click over here, click on open, and your text to speech voice will be uploaded to your Canva account. Okay, and you should find your, if you click over here on audio, you should find your text to speech voice here. Okay, so I already have a lot. Let me scroll down. I will use for example this one, and just click on your text to speech voice, and here you go. Your text to speech voice will be added to your video and should be under your video here. Okay, so let's check now.
Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on an epic journey through time to unravel one of the greatest mysteries of.
And here you go. Your text to speech voice will be added to your Canva videos. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop with a text to speech voice. That's how we can add text to speech voice on to Canva videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.